back to my channel. It's Emily here. Today I'm going to be doing a vlog for you. So I'm going camping with my friend Megan, and right now, hi. Hi. Oh, okay. Sorry, that kind of made it a little awkward. So right now, I don't even know if you can see me. Okay, she's hardcore judging me. So I don't even know if you can see me, but just, you know, take you along with the trip. Okay, I'm really being awkward now. Bye. Thank you, got chicken legs. Okay, so, wait, what was I doing? Oh yeah, packing. So, like, here, I just curled my hair a little bit. It's looking really nice, I know. Oh yeah, I'm vlogging with a GoPro. It's a little bit weird.
I don't smoke cigarettes, but I know you like to. So I face an entire pack just to be there with you. And I never fall for girls.
What did I do? Oh shoot. Oh, it's still filming. I just want to apologize like right now for this. I don't know what I was doing there, so like sorry for making you cringe. It's just like kind of what I'm good at. Like my friends call me cringy gingy. Just kidding, no one calls me that, but whatever. Okay. I'm never gonna put that in the video. So, hey guys! Oh no. Look who's here! It's Megan! Okay. Dad, say hi! It's for the vlog. Okay.
This is my best friend, not you.
That's, no? Okay. What's up? Oh, okay. So, out here, we're getting the boat ready to go, and right here, we have something. Hey Bella, what's poppin'? Ashley, she just steals the spotlight.
Add me on Instagram.
This is my very ugly dog. She's very fat. Say hi. Dad, can we go to Starbucks? It would make the vlog way more interesting. You just smell your hand. Get it!
Yes.
Get it!
My toe is sticking out of my shoe.
I don't really know what's going on right now, but it's something's going on. Oh, our over here, our field is. I don't think you can see that. Let's see if I can zoom. Oh, I can't. Right. I don't think you can see that, but like they're rolling hay and stuff. You can see them over there. Yeah. It's going pretty good. Oh yes, Megan. Okay. Yep, that's all I had to say. So I'm like a really sucky vlogger, so I completely forgot to film, like, I don't know what I was doing, but I didn't film this. Like, so now we're at my camper. If you can't tell, that's not my house. So that's why we're not in the same spot. I think I explained that, but I don't really know, so I'm just gonna put this in. Sorry, I forgot to vlog all yesterday. Oops. So we have a really good start to the morning. It's thunderstorming and it's a little bit wet. You can't really tell. Megan says good morning. Mom, say hi. She says hi too. Ashley, say hi. So we'll just catch you up on yesterday. We didn't really do much. We got some ice cream. We bought some stuff. Oh yeah, speaking of that, I need to grab my headband. Talking about me? Yeah. Okay, so see, now we're gonna go and see, I got this headband thingy. It's pretty cool, I know. Could be a shirt. Don't know how that's supposed to fit me, but so yeah, now we're just gonna skirt down to the bathrooms to get ready. Ashley says she's gonna puke.
Oh, I thought you said.
Okay. Oh, it's recording.
It's been recording this whole time.
Hey guys, no.
So we're going down to the bathrooms to get ready.
Oh. Ooh, it's a little wet.
Is it wet?
A little.
Okay, I'm just gonna sit like this. Is it that wet?
Your butt won't get wet.
Oh my god, my legs!
Well, this is so dramatic.
This is.
And Lil, this is really cool. I hope this is waterproof. My butt's all wet.
Oh my god.
Skirt, skirt. We'll give you a little campsite tour.
Sweat, but not. It's just water.
Megan's a little sweaty.
Shut up.
I just popped a big blister down my foot and juice came out of it.
Okay, I'm just gonna pretend that didn't happen. Okay, hey guys, so we're going to Ludington. And they always get really awkward whenever I take out the
I don't
camera.
think you want to tell them where we're going.
Yeah,
Unless you want to get stalked.
Yeah, they're gonna stalk us.
Well, I don't even live by Ludington.
It's not like she has any
so
subscribers anyway.
it's fine. I don't know. Yeah, Ludington is just
It's
a
not like
place
she's
for-
like one of those people.
Yeah, I only have like 30 subscribers.
37.
29.
29, whatever. I don't know.
28 last
And then we're gonna go to Goodwill, which is like we're gonna go thrifting.
Yeah,
And
No
then
money.
we're gonna go to some stuff. This is really good. It's a little rainy out. Yeah. So guys, we made it. We're gonna go walk around a little bit. Maybe do some shopping. Yeah. Okay. Oh, go see Gus Macker. Okay, guys. Now we're going down.
I hope everyone sees you.
We're going down to the Gus Macker, which is like basketball. Everyone knows what that is, right?
No.
And we're just gonna see if we know anyone. It's gonna be pretty lit.
Oh, good. I see him.
Where? Okay, guys. So we saw some people we know, so we had to go because we don't want to be those awkward. We are not social. So yeah, we saw some people. We
I am not going.
They got a drone. Oh yeah, we probably shouldn't go. So we're gonna try to go to the beach. Yeah, I'll show them the beach. So it's really actually kind of pretty. We lost my family. We were gonna meet up with a person, but they're showering, so we have to wait. And
No, we're not waiting.
Megan's trying not to meet up with them. So yeah, that's how our day's going. Pretty good. Over there we see a really cute guy. He's walking. I feel like that's really creepy. Sorry, he was really cute. He was really cute. Megan. Oh. He's taking his shirt off. We gotta get that. Oh, yes. Okay, I'm gonna stop filming him because it's kind of creepy. But he was cute. Megan, did you see that?
Oh my god, there he is.
Where? Oh shoot, I'm on settings. Oh no. Is it still recording?
Oh my god, there he is. If you look.
Hey guys, so now we're starving and we're sweating like a lot. Like, I think I'm not gonna tell them that. That's kind of gross. And so we're probably gonna go get some Taco Bell or something because it is hot. And we had sweatshirts on. Do you need to say anything?
Oh yeah, might go get food at Taco Bell and then we might go boating later. We don't know that.
I'm really hot.
I'm not. Me
Both
too.
ways, so.
It's because I'm in.
Well, me just okay. Yep. Guys, we're to my house. Taco Bell. Okay. All right, guys, we went thrifting, so we'll do a little haul. Ashley, can you hold the camera for me?
No.
Megan, Dad, can you hold the camera for me? While I show them? Just hold it on me, okay? So, first, these are Megan's stuff. So she got this. Coca-Cola. Oh, yes, Dad, get those angles. And next, we got this. This is Megan's.
You need to go closer. I'm gonna do this.
Okay. And then, wait. This is mine. I got this in the men's section. It just says Alaska.
Okay, hurry up.
Mom's trying to steal the spotlight. Because I live in Alaska. And then this is a Reebok. Because you know I'm athletic.
Yeah, she stole that from me. I found it and she took it.
Reebok. And then this, since we're camping,
Your arm's in the way.
is on the rise.
Good job.
I just like yellow, so yeah. And then that's all that
Oh,
we
well,
got.
what-
and
can
we
you
only
film
spent.
what I got?
Oh, Ashley got this.
It looks like a man here.
Mom, want to show them what you got? Oh wait, I think
On the rise. What does that mean?
it's a camper.
Wait, can I look at it?
Mom, where's
what
your
does on
stuff?
the rise?
Are you gonna give them a haul?
No.
Mom. What the heck, Mom?
Getting the 4 hours.
Well, sorry. Okay, so that's all our stuff that we got, and we only spent only $20, and we got all that, and we got my mom got jeans and a shirt, I think, and then yeah. So now
Here, where do you say?
me.
No.
Oh, So we were gonna go boating and watch the sunset like tonight. Guess what? My parents forgot the keys to the boat. So now we're gonna go on the dunes. So I'll hopefully film that because we went to Taco Bell. See, Megan's eating it, and I'm pretty sure that's all that's happened. So.
There's water in that.
All right, that's it. Okay, again, literally me not explaining anything. So yes, I said we were going to the dunes, but obviously I didn't update you. So actually, first we went to the hot tub, then we went shopping, and then we went to the dunes. So I don't know. I'm watching this back and I'm just like, how am I so dumb? Like, I'm not even saying anything. Hi. Yeah. What is the point of this? You'll see. Watch the vlog, like and subscribe. Guys, I don't know if you can hear me because I have the waterproof case on. So we're gonna go to the hot tub. Megan's coming. So we're gonna take the golf cart and we're gonna skirt. Hey guys, we're just chilling in the hot tub. You ready? See, he got a bracelet. It says Jennifer, which is my mom's name. And then, Mom, you gotta show. Okay, no, you gotta show yours. See, it says, Dennis. A little bit. Idea. See,
I got an idea. We should make it.
They're pretty cool.
It should be like a collar.
No, let's not do that. Should probably. Okay, guys. So now we're going to some stores.
Megan, I can see you. I'm gonna stop.
Again. We already went there to the store yesterday. And
Stop vlogging me.
why do you guys hate me so much?
She's not even gonna ban.
Mom, I'm tired. I woke up frustrated. Oh my god, I'm in the mood. Hey, look! It's Keegan!
Does he know your real name? No.
I don't think so.
You got me tripping, running your hand through my curves, all my worries missing. Don't know if it's the Hennessy that's got you in your honesty. Oh, I just hope you still mean what you said when the sun comes up. Oh, I hope it's not the alcohol that makes me think
We're on the sand dunes now. And we're gonna put the camera in. We're gonna go watch.
that makes me think I want it all. Oh, I just hope I still mean what I say when the night is up. Will I want you when I'm sober?
Okay, so I never really made an ending to this video, but I want to thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and sorry if I was really annoying in the video. I'm just gonna apologize now. But don't forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe. Bye!